Hello friends, today I'm going to do a product review. I'm going to review this Q-Bond adhesive system with two items that I've got that need repair. It was recommended to me by a chap at work. I'm going to hopefully show you how to use it and give it a review at the end of this video as well. Now the two pieces I'm going to fix today are this water tank from our condenser dryer, which has got a big split down the side of the tank here, and the other is this B pillar trim from my Saab. The top end tags, which fit into the body in white, has broken, so I'm going to try and repair that as well. Now this kit is new, I've only just opened it. You need to take a bottle of the Q-Bond and one of the pins that's supplied and pierce the top of the nozzle and push it right through. Instructions are not entirely clear which powder you use on which materials. The grey powder does say for aluminium and metal surfaces and grey plastic surfaces. The black powder says for bumpers, grills, fairings, radiators and many more. I'm going to use the black. Now the trick, as I understand it, is to fill or along the crack with the powder. I'm thinking here small paintbrush might actually be a good idea in order to get the powder precisely into place. You can see there that I've applied a thin layer all the way along the crack. I now have to put a few drops along the crack, allow it to soak into both the crack and the powder. I believe you just let it set now. Put that to one side and let it set. On this B pillar trim, these tags are moulded in as part of the trim, but it's snapped apart here, so I'm going to try some of this. That has stuck. I'm going to use this powder in an effort to bridge there. Okay, I have to say that has set rock hard. The instructions do suggest to build it up layer by layer, so a little bit more powder in there, one more large drop. The split where it was broken is down in there, so I'm going to try and bridge that break. Now with this side being broken, when it was twisted slightly, there's a partial break on this side down here. So now I'm going to apply some of this powder and see if I can bridge that break. It looks like I can. Apply some drops of liquid. Just coming back to the water tank momentarily. It seems to be very solid. There's no wetness. And looking from the other side, it does appear that the glue seeped into the crack and has sealed the crack up. Although it's not pretty, it has mended this water tank, saved us the cost of a new one. Now, using the same method as I used a few moments ago with the powder and the glue, I'm going to bridge that crack there and this crack over here. By building this up a little bit at a time, layer by layer, I've managed to get a good solid repair around both ends. At the other end there. A really solid repair. What's my verdict? I have to say I'm very impressed. I shall better go back to work tomorrow and tell the chap who recommended it to me that yeah, it was a good recommendation, and I feel that I can recommend it to you as well, the wider audience of my channel. It's made a very strong repair of this B pillar, and it's made a very good strong repair on that water tank. It does say that it's 100% water resistant, so we'll find out if that's true with that tank for our dryer. Overall, I give this 4 stars out of 5. Why only 4? Why have I dropped a star? 1, I do feel that the instructions could be somewhat more comprehensive and somewhat better in terms of how to apply it and what to do. And I also feel the powder bottle, the bottle itself, could be much more flexible, the sort that you can squeeze a little with a little nozzle on the top for much more precise application. But other than that, yes, it makes an excellent repair. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like, add some comments down in the bottom, let me know what you think. Have you tried this stuff out? What applications have you used it in?